Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix Hisense TV turning off and on by itself. First fix is to turn off HDMI CEC. Use your remote to navigate to the settings menu. Look for the HDMI CEC feature that your TV settings have. Just toggle the setting off and save the changes. The second fix is to update your firmware on your TV. Press the settings button on your remote and select system from the menu. Navigate to the system update or similar option, then if available toggle all updates so your TV automatically installs the latest firmware in the future. Just click detect or check for updates to manually search for any available firmware updates. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install them if one is available. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.